Hello there. Australia just experienced its equal 7th warmest April on record and the 30th consecutive warmer than usual month. April was another warm and dry month for most of Australia. Despite welcome rain in some areas, every state and territory saw below average rainfall, with Victoria registering its 6th driest April on record. April was also warmer than usual for much of the country. The mean temperature for Australia as a whole was 1.35 degrees above the long-term average. This is the country's equal 7th warmest April in 110 years of records. April 2019 was the 30th consecutive month with an above average mean temperature in Queensland, New South Wales and Australia as a whole. The record for Australia's longest spell of warmer than usual months is 32, which occurred between August 2012 and March 2015. At the local level, Adelaide experienced record late season warmth when the city reached 33.9 degrees on the 19th of April. This feat occurred against a background of warming in Adelaide during recent decades. Peak temperatures at Adelaide Airport during April have increased by more than 1 degree Celsius during the last 50 years. But it wasn't hot everywhere last month. A strong cold front produced early season snow on Western Australia's Stirling Range during the Easter long weekend. The town of Dwellingup managed to register its lowest April temperature in 30 years following this event. This is an impressive feat, considering Dwellingup's lowest temperature during April has also increased by just over 1 degree since 1970. So what can we expect to see around the country during the next few months? Australia is still on El Niño alert, meaning there's roughly a 70% chance of El Niño occurring during the coming months. El Niño typically causes below average rain during winter and spring in eastern Australia. However, most forecast models suggest that El Niño will be weak and short-lived if it does develop. As a result, it's difficult to predict whether rainfall will trend above or below average in the nation's east during the months ahead. According to the Bureau of Meteorology, rainfall may be near to above average in the nation's northwest during the months ahead. However, this part of the country doesn't usually see much rain at this time of year, so above average falls doesn't necessarily mean heavy rain. Most of the country is likely to experience above average temperatures as we head into the start of winter, particularly in northern and eastern parts of the country. And we'll bring you another update on Australia's climate at the beginning of June.